Thank you, RL Muse. Thank you, Sir Eric, sa napakagandang laundry business and setup na prinobide nyo. Pati yung after sales nyo, very highly recommended. And thank you din sa mga tips and advice na sinisend mo sa akin on how to, paano maging more effective and gumanda yung sales. Thank you.